Hi there, Matt. Neil Crisp here. My father Larry alerted me about your marketing assistant position, and I read into what you're looking for, and it piqued my interest because I feel like a lot of the things that you're looking for are skills that I have developed over the last few years. So let me provide you with some background information on myself and the skill sets I have that I think would be useful to you. I started my career as a professional video producer for a Fortune 500 company. It was during this time that I refined my organizational skills and learned how to wear a lot of different hats. After working in video production for a number of years, I came back to Colorado and began working with Larry. I started making WordPress sites, worked with autoresponders, CRMs, affiliate marketing, advertising. So that's some of my background. Now, based on your criteria, let me tell you about my skill sets and how I think I will align with your objectives. My video production days taught me how to finish projects in the most concise and effective manner. I seek out every life hack possible to be more time efficient and productive. When I work with existing clients, I document everything and typically use tools like Wunderlist and Trello to track and itemize every nuance of project information that is given to me. I use a timer program called Focus Booster and break my work up into time blocks. I create a report for every item given to me and submit progress reports at the end of the workday. I also utilize the help of an assistant in the Philippines to ensure that projects are completed in a timely fashion. Everything is documented immediately and prioritized. I communicate using Skype every day. I keep it open when I'm at my computer and have it on at all times on my phone as well. As far as hours, I'm very flexible and can accommodate in any way. I've been working in WordPress for a few years now, and though I don't know HTML too well, I'm very familiar with the number of plugins and functionality that goes into using a WordPress site. I build sales and squeeze pages all the time using OptimizePress too, and I've experience working in other themes as well. I've built membership sites and affiliate programs. For tracking and split testing, I've been utilizing a system called Quality Click Control. In my application form, I've included a number of links to pages I've built for campaigns that Larry and I have partnered on. I'm definitely a team player. My dad and I are currently working as a team, and my whole career up to this point has revolved around working with a crew. I write sales copy for a lot of campaigns that we currently roll out. I'm by no means a pro copywriter, but I've done enough of it that I've been able to learn a lot, referencing copy from other online marketers. I write just about every day and use tools like Dragon, Speak Naturally to speed up the process of writing. As for paying attention to detail, this correlates with my organized work approach. If I've recorded something once, it's my MO to include it in my workflow checklist for future projects. This approach also helps me in multitasking. When I receive an objective, I document it and complete it myself or delegate it and review its completion before submitting a report. This, along with strict time management, allows me to keep on top of numerous projects at once. I use Google Docs a lot. I also use Evernote in conjunction with that and have found it to be extremely useful as well. I have great interpersonal skills, and I'm just chomping at the bit considering the opportunity to work with other team members associated with Mobe. I'm certainly a self-starter and don't balk at any opportunity to receive coaching or criticism. Other skills I bring to the table that I think might be valuable to you: my video production skills. Utilizing cameras as well as screen capture, I use Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects for editing, and currently use Screencast-O-Matic in connection with these Adobe programs to create content for sales funnels. Photoshop. I use Photoshop almost every day to create branding for various campaigns and projects, whether it's for designing GIF banner ads or for designing postcard mailers for events. Audio production. I worked in a professional recording studio for about 3 years, and I've learned how to record, mix, and master professional audio. My participation in Mobe. I'm not a Mobe partner directly, but I am in a partnership with Larry, so I'm intimately familiar with the Mobe business model. I have a little studio at home with a beast of a computer, video and recording equipment, and a creative mind, in the goal of mastering the art and way of online marketing, bringing it to the world-class level. Matt, I was excited to have the brief chance to meet with you at the Platinum Mastermind, and in being partnered with my father Larry, I've had the chance to study a number of your courses and have developed an intimate knowledge of the Mobe system, and have been actively developing campaigns to sell Mobe as well as other business systems over the last few years. I'm excited about the idea of learning more about marketing from you while helping you fulfill it in the process, and I'm super passionate about what I'm doing right now in marketing and really desire to elevate my game to the next level. So I believe in working with you directly will create a great synergy, and I'm quite confident we'll go the distance in helping Mobe grow to the $50 million mark and beyond. I think working together on your marketing is a win-win, and I really admire your work ethic and approach, and I think we have much in common in that regard. I would love to have the opportunity, and will certainly do my utmost to help bring to realization the vision of Mobe, and so I thank you for your consideration.